Hi students. So hope you all are enjoying the Asia's largest educational institution, the Narayana Group's Android Guru app, the must awaited learning app from the prominent organization. So in today's session we are going to see the assignment 2 of unit 2A, so which talks about C.V. Raman, the pride of the nation there. So here I would like to read out the reading comprehension. So here, whenever you are dealing with reading comprehensions, please do it carefully, read twice and thrice. So here the small passage is given where you are going to have some information which is related to C.V. Raman's discoveries, Raman effect and all these things. So based on that, they have given some questions like reading comprehension based things. So let's discuss the question and answers from that reading comprehension. Here first question goes like this. First one, it's very easy and it's a general question and you can get the answer directly from the passage. So here it is like a very short question. Compton effect was discovered by. Compton effect was discovered by, pretty good. Compton effect was discovered by A.H. Compton. Here the name is suggesting there. Here you can go with an answer. Compton effect was discovered. Compton effect was discovered by A.H. Compton. Answer is very simple. You can even write on a one word answer also. But if you frame a sentence, that looks good and you can get the full marks there. Next, the second question. In which had Raman been doing research? So the question is related to Raman's research there. Here, second question. In which had Raman been doing research? So here it's a question which is related to the research work of C.V. Raman. So answer is quite simple. Raman had been doing research in optics, the sound of light. So here answer is Raman had been doing research in optics. Okay. So next question, which is related to the new radiation theory. So we know nothing but new radiation theory is nothing but the Raman effect there. So here the question is based on that. Here the question is when and where he announced is a new radiation theory. You can simply call it as a discovery. So what's his discovery? New radiation theory. So here you need to concentrate on the date, place, so that you need to concentrate on. Here, okay. The thing is that first you need to go with a date because it's very important. On March 16th, 1928. Please do remember this date. March 16, 1928. Raman announced his discovery. What's his discovery? New radiation. And Raman announced his discovery. New radiation. New radiation. New radiation. So here you need to talk about the people who involved. Okay, new radiation to an assembly of scientists. Assembly of scientists at Bengaluru. Okay, so here we have completed 3 questions. Once again, quick recap of these questions. Compton effect was discovered by, so it's very simple, H. Compton. In which had Raman been doing research? That is optics. And third question, when and where he announced his discovery? Here you need to concentrate on the date, on March 16th, 1928. So new radiation theory. And where did he announce? To an assembly of scientists at Bangalore. Okay, let's see the fourth question. So here is the fourth question. The fourth one is that for how many years he had been doing research. For every scientist, they need to wait, they need to have tons of patience to do something, because patience makes everything. Here, the question is, for how many years? For how many years? For how many years he had been doing research. For how many years he had been doing research? Here you need to concentrate on the complete period of time where he concentrated on one particular research there. Here you can go with the answer based on the question. He had for 5 years. For 5 years he had been doing research in optics. He had been doing research in optics. Very simple answer. Okay, so here we have completed the questions which are related to that reading comprehension. Next let's move on to that section B, grammar and vocabulary part. That's very, very important, because each and every lesson that gives you new words each and every time, which you can add it to your vocabulary so that you can enhance your communication skills also. So here the next part, it is related to grammar and the vocabulary. Grammar and vocabulary. And here you see the first one, they have concentrated on the meanings, because learning meanings, it adds beauty to your communication as well as you can enhance your vocabulary also. So here they have given certain words which we got from this particular textual passage, and there we are going to find out the meanings for it based on the reading comprehension. So first one, sixth one, they have given a particular word, that is transparent. Transparent. So here the meaning is, transparency you know pretty good. Being an IT student, each and everyone knows it. Transparency is a very small one. So which allows to see through it. Okay. Allowing you to see through it. Okay, so next one, red letter day. Red letter day, it is an idiom. Red letter day. So whenever if you use this particular word, it always resembles an important day. An important day. That can be anything like related to history or whatever it may be. An important day. So red letter day means an important day. Next one, sophisticated. So next word they have taken is sophisticated. So here when we are talking about the C.V. Raman facilities on those days, so there is no sophisticated equipment. So what do you mean by sophisticated? So that means advanced, and you can go with the capability also. Okay, advanced and capable. Okay, and the last one. So here we have come across with transparent, red letter day, sophisticated, and one more thing is just I've forgotten. There is a fifth one itself. Okay, that's not an issue. So I'll make it 5, 6, 7, and see here 8th one. So that is lost in thought. Lost in thought. Lost in thought. Here the meaning is giving all your attention to something so that you do not notice what's happening around you. So that means it is nothing but involving in one particular aspect completely without knowing what's happening in and around you there. So here the meaning is a bit lengthier. So but still we need to know that giving all your attention. Giving all your attention. Simple manner you can say that giving all your attention without distracting to anything else. So it's all about vocabulary part, and let's see what are the other aspects we do have in this particular worksheet. So next we are going to concentrate on adjective and adverb forms. So here you are going to concentrate on adjective and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs. So here they have given, one is delighted. Delighted is a particular word, and here you see the adjective form is delightful. These are quite simple. Delightful, and the adverb is quite simple. You know, if you can add ly, so obviously it becomes an adverb. So here it is nothing but delightful. And when it comes to the next one, that is the 10th one, so it is attention. Attention. So this is one of the aspects which is related to that morphology, the different kinds of parts of speech of a word. Attention. So here you can go with attentive. Attentive is the adjective form of attention. And if you want to go with the adverb, so simply add to ly. Attentively. Attentively. So it's all about adjective and adverb forms related to this passage. And next we move on. So last one is editing. Editing is very important. So which reflects your subject knowledge, and at the same time which resembles your grammatical things and all. So here you see the first one. So here 11th they quoted an error. So we are going to rectify it. It was the headquarters of the Indian Association to Cultivation of Science. Here there is a preposition error. Okay. So here you can rewrite the sentence like this. It was the headquarters. It was the headquarters of the Indian Association. Here they have given to, but the proper preposition is for cultivation of science. Okay, so instead of what mistake they have given, instead of what they have given to there, so it's a wrong one, right? Next, last 12th one. So here it is related to singular and plural there. Okay, so in December, on a fine evening, Fine evening. Fine evening. In 1927, there was much excitement in one of its laboratories. So they have given laboratory, it's a single one. So but we are talking about much. There should be a comparison. So at least two things should be there. So here you need to go with not a singular one, you should go with a plural one. So what is the plural of laboratory? Laboratories. One of its laboratories. So that's all about your assignment 2 of Unit 2A. So just you people are rocking with the help of that Narayan Guru app, and let's continue the same thing. One of the best learning apps in India there. That is nothing but Narayana's Narayan Guru app. So thank you all, and continue your learning part.